In this video, you'll learn about wall mount air conditioner heaters, their functions, features, and the importance of proper installation and maintenance. By the end, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how these units work and what to consider when choosing one. A wall mount air conditioner heater serves as both an air conditioning and heating system within a single unit. This type of system is typically installed on a wall and is suitable for various environments, including homes, offices, and small commercial spaces. During warmer months, the unit operates as an air conditioner, effectively lowering the indoor temperature. Conversely, in colder weather, it switches to heating mode, warming the space. This dual functionality provides a convenient climate control solution, making it an ideal choice for year-round comfort. Many modern units are also designed to be energy efficient, which can lead to reduced utility bills. When reviewing wall mount air conditioner heaters, it is essential to consider the key features they offer. Most units come with remote control operation, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance. Additionally, adjustable temperature settings enable customized climate control based on individual preferences. Some advanced models support smart connectivity, which allows users to control the unit through mobile applications. Many systems also incorporate air filters that enhance indoor air quality by capturing dust and allergens. Furthermore, energy-saving modes are prevalent in modern designs, assisting users in maintaining comfortable conditions while minimizing energy consumption. Installation is a critical aspect of ensuring that a wall mount air conditioner heater operates efficiently and safely. It is advisable to seek professional installation services, as this process involves electrical connections and precise mounting techniques. A qualified technician will ensure that the unit is installed according to local codes and manufacturer guidelines. Following installation, regular maintenance this includes tasks such as cleaning or replacing filters and checking the overall system performance. Regular upkeep not only improves efficiency, but also extends the lifespan of the equipment, ensuring reliable heating and cooling throughout its use. To maintain optimal operation, users should follow the maintenance guidelines provided by the manufacturer. This often includes cleaning the air filters every few months and scheduling professional servicing at least once a year. By adhering to these recommendations, users can prevent common issues such as reduced airflow or improper heating and cooling. Additionally, ensuring that the unit is free of obstructions and that the outdoor components are clear of debris. Regular checks can also help identify any potential problems early on, allowing for timely repairs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.